Welcome to the $25 Investor, the channel where small, consistent investments can grow into life-changing wealth over time. What if I told you that just $25 a week could potentially turn into hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars in the future? It may sound unrealistic at first, but this is exactly how long-term investing works. It is not about getting rich quickly. It is about building wealth slowly, consistently, and intelligently. Today, we are going to explore a powerful company in the defense and aerospace industry, Northrop Grumman Corporation, also known by its ticker symbol NOC. In this video, you will see how starting with just $25 per week can grow over time through the power of compounding. We will walk through real data, long-term growth rates, and realistic projections so you can clearly understand how your money can work for you. If you have ever thought that investing requires a lot of money, this video will change your perspective. Let us begin with a simple idea: investing $25 per week. This amount may seem small, but consistency is what truly matters. Many people spend this amount on everyday items without realizing how powerful it could be if invested instead. Over the course of 1 year, investing $25 every week adds up to $1,300. That is your starting point. Now imagine repeating this process every year. As your contributions grow, your investments also begin to generate returns. Over time, those returns begin to generate their own returns, creating a compounding effect. This is exactly what we will demonstrate using Northrop Grumman as an example. Northrop Grumman Corporation is one of the largest defense and aerospace companies in the world. The company focuses on advanced technologies such as stealth aircraft, missile defense systems, cybersecurity, and space exploration systems. It plays a critical role in national security, especially for the United States government. Why does this matter for investors? Because defense spending tends to remain strong regardless of economic conditions. Governments continue to invest in security even during economic downturns. This creates a stable and consistent demand for companies like Northrop Grumman. In addition, the company operates with long-term government contracts, which provide predictable revenue streams. This stability, combined with innovation and technological leadership, makes it an attractive option for long-term investors. Now let us compare Northrop Grumman to the broader market represented by the S&P 500. Over the past 3 years, the S&P 500 has delivered a growth rate of 20%, while Northrop Grumman delivered 20.36%, slightly outperforming the market. Over 5 years, the S&P 500 returned 13.65%, while Northrop Grumman achieved 20.77%, showing strong outperformance. Over 10 years, the S&P 500 delivered 15.72%, while Northrop Grumman achieved 16.11%. This comparison shows that Northrop Grumman has consistently matched or exceeded the broader market over time. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The examples and opinions shared in this video are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Let us now take a deeper look at the growth rates of Northrop Grumman Corporation. Over 3 years, the company achieved a growth rate of 20.36%, reflecting strong recent performance. Over 5 years, the growth rate increases to 20.77%, showing consistency across different market conditions. Over 10 years, the growth rate stands at 16.11%, demonstrating long-term strength and stability. These numbers highlight the company's ability to grow over both short and long-time horizons. If you invest $25 per week, your contributions will grow steadily over time. After 1 year, you will have invested $1,300. After 5 years, you will have invested $6,500. After 10 years, you will have invested $13,000. After 15 years, you will have invested $19,500. After 20 years, you will have invested $26,000. After 25 years, you will have invested $32,500. After 30 years, you will have invested $39,000. This shows how small, consistent contributions build a strong financial foundation. Now let us look at how your investment grows over time. After 5 years, your $6,500 grows to $10,184. After 10 years, your $13,000 grows to $26,699. After 15 years, your $19,500 grows to $79,248. After 20 years, your $26,000 grows to $155,882. After 25 years, your $32,500 grows to $248,351. After 30 years, your $39,000 grows to $371,829. This clearly demonstrates the power of compounding over time. Now let us take a deeper and more detailed look at what happens when you increase your investment to $50 per week into Northrop Grumman Corporation. By doubling your weekly contribution from $25 to $50, your yearly investment increases to $2,600. This may not feel like a huge jump week to week, but over time it creates a powerful difference in your total results. After 5 years, you will have invested $13,000 and your portfolio grows to $20,369. Already you can see that your gains are building faster compared to the lower contribution level. After 10 years, your $26,000 grows to $53,399. At this stage, your investment has more than doubled, showing the growing impact of compounding. After 15 years, your $39,000 grows to $158,497. This is where compounding begins to accelerate in a noticeable way. After 20 years, your $52,000 grows to $311,765. Your gains are now significantly larger than your contributions. After 25 years, your $65,000 grows to $496,702. You are approaching $500,000 built from consistent weekly investing. Finally, after 30 years, your $78,000 grows to $743,659. This clearly shows that even a modest increase in your weekly investment can lead to a dramatically larger outcome over time. Now let us take it one step further by increasing your investment to $100 per week. At this level, your yearly contribution becomes $5,200, which allows your portfolio to grow at a much faster pace. After 5 years, your $26,000 grows to $40,739. The difference compared to smaller contributions is already becoming more noticeable. After 10 years, your $52,000 grows to $106,799. This is a major milestone as your money has more than doubled. After 15 years, your $78,000 grows to $316,994. This is where your investment growth begins to accelerate significantly. After 20 years, your $104,000 grows to $623,531. At this stage, your portfolio is doing most of the work for you. After 25 years, your $130,000 grows to $993,404. You are now very close to reaching $1 million. After 30 years, your $156,000 grows to $1,487,319. This demonstrates how increasing your weekly investment can move you from steady growth into life-changing wealth. Now let us increase the investment further to $150 per week. Your yearly contribution becomes $7,800, which significantly strengthens your ability to grow wealth over time. After 5 years, your $39,000 grows to $61,108. After 10 years, your $78,000 grows to $160,199. After 15 years, your $117,000 grows to $475,492. After 20 years, your $156,000 grows to $935,297. You are now approaching $1 million. After 25 years, your $195,000 grows to $1,490,106. After 30 years, your $234,000 grows to $2,230,979. At this level, consistent investing clearly leads to multi-million-dollar outcomes. Now let us look at $200 per week. Your yearly contribution increases to $10,400, which allows your portfolio to grow even more aggressively. After 5 years, your $52,000 grows to $81,478. After 10 years, your $104,000 grows to $213,599. After 15 years, your $156,000 grows to $633,989. After 20 years, your $208,000 grows to $1,247,062. After 25 years, your $260,000 grows to $1,986,808. After 30 years, your $312,000 grows to $2,974,639. This clearly shows how higher contributions can significantly shorten your path to financial independence. Now let us move to $250 per week. Your yearly contribution becomes $13,000, creating a very strong base for long-term growth. After 5 years, your $65,000 grows to $101,847. After 10 years, your $130,000 grows to $266,999. After 15 years, your $195,000 grows to $792,486. After 20 years, your $260,000 grows to $1,558,828. After 25 years, your $325,000 grows to $248,351. And this is where you must pay attention because compounding can vary depending on assumptions. After 30 years, your $390,000 grows to $3,718,299. This highlights how exponential growth becomes more powerful as both time and contributions increase. Finally, let us explore the highest contribution level in this example, which is $300 per week. Your yearly contribution becomes $15,600, putting you in a very strong position for long-term wealth building. After 5 years, your $78,000 grows to $122,217. After 10 years, your $156,000 grows to $320,399. After 15 years, your $234,000 grows to $950,984. After 20 years, your $312,000 grows to $1,870,594. After 25 years, your $390,000 grows to $2,980,213. After 30 years, your $468,000 grows to $4,461,959. At this level, the results are undeniable. Consistency plus higher contributions leads to extraordinary outcomes. So what is the key takeaway from all of this? You do not need to start with a large amount of money. You can begin with just $25 per week and still build meaningful wealth over time by investing consistently in a strong company like Northrop Grumman Corporation. As your financial situation improves, you can gradually increase your weekly investment to $50, $100, $150, $200, $250, or even $300 per week. Each increase may seem small, but over time it creates a massive difference in your final outcome. The most important lesson is this: consistency, patience, and time in the market are the true drivers of wealth. In the next video, you will explore exchange-traded funds such as QQQ, SPY, VOO, VIG, VGT, and SMH, and discover how they compare. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the $25 Investor so you can continue learning how to turn small investments into financial freedom. Thank you for watching this video.